Hey, today's my Beyblade episode on from El Drago review. Here is lightning blue El Drago, face bolt, energy ring, middle ring. Got what this was. Performance tip HF. And that's actually it. So, anyways, I think it's a very good Beyblade. But the best Beyblade combination I think is a plain Galaxy Pegasus with HF tip that I just showed you. So, yep. See you later. Comment, subscribe, review, thumbs up, thumbs down. I don't care. Just bye.